got bird shit mixed with bird blood on your shoulder.
What's going on, guys? Bringing you on a nice little adventure today. We are headed to Southern Ohio. Well, sort of. We're actually heading west now because I now live in Toledo, so we're heading to meet the Akron guys, and then we're gonna head to Southern Ohio. We should have quite a few bikes. We've already had quite the adventure. I've decided to take out a bird at about 80 mile an hour off the top of my melon. I wasn't recording, but my good friend here, Whelan, was, so he will graciously give me that part of the clip so I can include it for you guys.
Oh shit. Oh my god. You good? I got showered in blood and feathers. Like, look. Let me see. Oh my god, dude. You got bird shit mixed with bird blood on your shoulder. Oh, good gravy.
But I promise not to bore you. I'm not going to throw much footage on the way over there because there really isn't much more than just this. We are an hour or so before we get to the meet spot where we're meeting all the Akron guys. And from there, we head south and we get to hit the twisties on my GSXr. I'll be back here in a little bit, guys.
Love you, bye.
Alrighty, well, we are still heading east, guys, but our process has been slowed down because fuck 12. We got an Ohio State trooper right in front of us just leading the way, so we gotta slow down. Now we're just doing 4 mile an hour, 5 mile an hour above the speed limit. I was kind of hoping he'd take off so we could take off, but
Yeah, Whelan's gonna get us full.
what is he doing?
Nothing illegal.
Oh, he seems to be slowing down even more because we're catching him at 58 mile an hour. Just wanted to give you guys another update on our trip. Fuck 12. The cop decided to whip into a quick parking lot and then get immediately right behind us for some reason.
Kind of weird though how he like sped up and then backed off and then whipped around behind us. Is he like directly behind me?
No, he's a little bit off you. Yeah. I mean, he's behind you, but he's not like right behind you. We talked about that this was a very distinct possibility of getting caught in some good thunderstorms, and here it is. Rain, rain, go away. Please come back another day. So this is the outcome of when you decide, hey, let's go ride when thunderstorms are very present. So some tips and tricks, I guess, to riding in the rain is be very, very, very easy on the throttle. Obviously traction is minimized. turn your head to the side a little bit if you don't have rain X on your visor, and it'll help push the rain away. Oh man, I'm getting drenched. All right, now time to dry out. How wet are you?
In the arms of the angel.
You, flag. Yes, for me and him. We're going right into that.
What's the matter?
It's a huge storm right in front of us.
Oh.
Come up a little bit so we don't block that pump.
A few moments later.
Hey, we gotta go. We're on the tip of it right now, but there's that front coming in.
That's what everybody says. Just the tip, just the tip. Yeah, I saw all that dark shit, but I'm like, I can't see fucking 100 yards in front of me.
All right, well, today has been a fun day with the amigos. We got to head north on the highway for 300 miles. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for supporting the channel as always. And if you're out there riding, stay safe. Keep the rubber side down. Enjoy the moment. And until the next video, we'll catch y'all later.